Good morning, everyone. I am Vishnu Jagtap. In front of all of you, I'm present in the Business Standard newspaper headlines. So, first of all, Reliance Jio slams ATL for maligning its tariff policy. Next, Twitter near profit after painful ownership. Musk. Next, TCS kicks off quarter four earnings season on a mixed note. Next, Nifty criteria may be tweaked before Reliance ARM demerger. Next, India's reform momentum stays unabated. FM. Next, a leading industrialist, very different from the ultra rich. Next, IOC might offer airlines stake in green fuel plant. Next, markets gain for eighth day amid FPI buying. Next, CM wealth rose 384% in 5 years ADR report. Next, CPI inflation eases to 15-month low in March. Next, Serum Institute restarts COVID shield production. Next, Apple Boost helps India double smartphone exports in a year. On page number 2 in company section under that, Serum restarts making COVID shield after over a year. Next, Macquarie mulls sale of 9 road projects in India for $1.5 billion. Next, Alliance Air pilots resume work, call of strike after 2 days. Next, FRL creditors seek 90 days to conclude insolvency process. Next, Zero the small case partner for mutual fund biz await final SEBI node. Next, CCI clears NBC Universal stake buy in BTS investment one Bodhi. Next, Kumar Mangalam Birla is AIMA Business Leader of the Decade. Next, Nestle declares interim dividend of rupees 27. Next, TCS attrition drops to 20%, remains over pre-COVID level. Next, General Atlantic lead consortium invest $100 million in PhonePe. Next, Jio slams ATL for uh, maligning its tariff policy. Next, last lab gaming cause enforce geofencing mechanism. On page number 4 in economy and public affairs section that UN sees India growth slipping to 6% in 2023. Next, India's debt to GDP ratio may rise from FY24 IMF. Next, center to take up e-pharmacy firms concern. Next, competition law amendment bill gets president's assent. Next, India France discuss process on India EU trade agreement. Next, monsoon key to inflation but other factor matter too. Next, buy vaccines to meet demand, center to Maharashtra. Next, Indian Newspaper Society demands rollback of IT rules. Next, Bajaj Finance rises rupees 1955 crore through medium term bonds. Next, IRDA chief asks insurers to augment capital base. Next, government rises rupees 32,000 crore via T bills. On page number 6 in economy and public affairs section that government committed to reform for a stronger India financial minister. Next, RBI proposes threshold for penal charges on loans by banks and BFC. Next, DPIIT to take up startup angel tax with Finmin. Next, BOI plans rupees 6.5 thousand crore fundraise in FY24. On page number 7 in politics and public affairs section that four soldiers killed in firing at Bathinda military station. Next, CM's wealth rose 394% in 5 years ADR. Next, long pending Mumbai CMT revamp all set to get on track. Next, Modi flags of Rajasthan's first Vande Bharat train. Next, on page number 8 in world section that Twitter near profit after painful ownership Musk. Next, Indian origin startup executives convicted of $1 billion fraud in US. Next, US March inflation eases to lowest in nearly 2 years. Next, Russia flagship oil moves closer to $60 barrel cap. Next, Taiwan says it's convinced China to rein in no-fly zone. Next, Pakistan Supreme Court asks poll official to appear before it on April 14. Next, first human death globally from H3N8 bird flu in China. Next, leaked US intel docs say Serbia was to arm Ukraine. Next, China Supreme Court judge sent to jail for 12 years over corruption. Next, mass layoffs and absentee bosses create a moral crisis at Meta. Next, Seize economic opportunity, Biden to Netherlands leaders. That on page number 9 in opinion section, that sustained slowdown. Next, quest for value chains and exports. Next, rules of the game. Next, quotas and the private sector. Next, India's G20 opportunities. That much for today. Thanks for watching. Make a good day.